Are you waiting to see every step before you start moving? Remember, faith isn't about what you see, it's about who you trust. I remember many years ago when my husband and I were renting a home, and we got super excited because they had just painted the doors and the entire house, and the door was actually my favorite color, TARDIS blue. If you know, you know. We were so excited because one, it needed it, and two, it was time to renew our lease, and it just felt like a fresh beginning. What happened next actually blew our minds, y'all. It wasn't a renewal, but a termination. The house was being sold, and we didn't feel at the time that God was leading us to purchase it. But what I did was immediately start packing. I was excited, but the truth is there were no rentals even coming up as available in our neighborhood. But I didn't care. 2 Corinthians 5:7 says, "For we walk by faith and not by sight." We're not called to walk by what we see, feel, or understand. We walk by faith, by trusting God at His word, by trusting His character and His promises, even when the path isn't clear. Listen, when we moved out, we still didn't have anywhere to land, y'all. We actually lived in a hotel room for 3 weeks, okay? My husband, our 2 younger kids, and even the cat. Now, I'm not going to pretend like I always have this level of faith in every situation, right? But walking by faith means taking the next step, even before the whole staircase is revealed. It means packing, getting a storage pod, looking for a hotel, still showing up, obeying, and moving forward even when our emotions and circumstances say otherwise. What I understand now is that it's already done in the spiritual realm, but I need to allow God to do what He has to do in my time, in the natural realm. And sometimes that isn't easy, y'all. But even so, my faith must keep moving before the answers arrive. Trusting and believing the one who answers is faithful. Let me know in the comments if you enjoyed this episode. And thanks for joining me for 1 Minute on Purpose.